Assalamu alaikum, my name is Sami Othman, a fourth year student. Our project this semester is Rehabilitation of René Mouawad Airport in Kleyat. Introducing the theme. Sustainability can be seen as the continued ability of a society, an ecosystem, or any such interactive system to function without exhausting the key resources and without adversely affecting the environment. To welcome future space demand and limit global warming, we need to accelerate the shift toward a net zero emission, circular, healthy, inclusive, and resilient built environment. Design consideration of airports. The design consideration of the project is to make the passenger and the users who go into this place safe and to have a clear circulation. And architecture-wise, to have a long-span system where I'm using the steel frame structure, the sustainability is one of the most important thing to study and to use it, and several more things to take into consideration. The site overview. In the early 1960s, the airbase was a small airport owned by an oil company who used small IPC airplanes for transporting its engineers, staff, and workers between Lebanon and the Arab countries. In 1966, the Lebanese army took control of the airport and started expanding and developing its technological capabilities. It later became one of the most modernist airbases in the region. René Mouawad Air Base, formerly and still sometimes known as Kleyat Airport, used to be a military-civil joint airport in northern Lebanon, located near to the town of Kleyat and 6 kilometers from the Lebanese-Syrian border. My personal philosophy. The project is a rehabilitation of René Mouawad Airport in Kleyat. Nowadays, it's used for army facilities and their helicopters and vehicles. I want in this rehabilitation to rebuild it or to make it a civil airport, so I have redesigned the terminal and used the rest of the good buildings as a hotel, a VIP terminal, and keep some of the blocks as a historical monument to keep it in mind the use of the old airport. I kept the runway as it is, and the apron I have worked on it to let the airplane to be comfortable in their circulation and rebuild a civil terminal from the beginning in parallel, taking into consideration the ICAO configuration for all the regulation types and dimensions. Here's my design concept and inspiration source in relation to context. The structural is designed to functionally divide the zone into straight modules. The terminal building help in different function according to the traffic of departing and arriving passengers. The structure system of the terminal is attended by light filled canyons that offer nature lighting to the lower levels, and the form of the roof of the terminal is taken from the shape of the boats which are located in the port of Tripoli. So I have take multiple of them and transform to one wavy shape, so we left the traditional image of Tripoli and here castle life and prove it in the roof of the main element in the site, which is the terminal.